Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Gmail and subsequently your Google account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Just want to put out a disclaimer that if you delete your account, you're not going to be able to get it back. So make sure you are sure you want to delete your Gmail account, which is also your Google account, and then whatever other services you have tied to that Google account would have problems. So just make sure that everything is detached. You don't have anything connected to that Google account anymore, because once we delete it, it's gone. So let's go ahead and jump into it. And we're going to start off by selecting our user icon at the top right. Go ahead and select that, and then select Manage Your Google Account. And now on the left side, select Data and Privacy. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath where it says More Options. Delete your Google account. Go ahead and select that. You will need to enter back in your credentials in order to sign in, and then select Next. You do have the option to download your data before deleting. If you scroll down, it'll tell you what data is being deleted here. It'll delete your Gmail account, your brand accounts, so any YouTube channels you have tied to your Google account, photos, any calendar notifications, as well as contacts, and you will have to acknowledge that you are responsible for any charges incurred due to any pending financial transaction, and I understand that under certain circumstances, my earnings won't be paid out. And you do need to confirm that you want to permanently delete this Google account and all of its data. Then you would select delete account, and that would be it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.